In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can apply for Amazon Flex. So I'm on the Amazon Flex website here, and it actually tells us that in order to sign up, we will first have to download the app. So if you haven't done so already, download the Amazon Flex app, and then we're ready to continue. So once you have the app downloaded, we just want to go ahead and either sign in with Amazon or create an account if you don't yet have one. Now from here, you just want to put in the postcode of the area that you'd like to deliver for. So I'm just going to do mine for London and then click next. From here, you want to check the days that you want to deliver. And then you have to heart one, which will be your preferred day. So you can do that on the right hand side, and then you can click next. From here, you can choose what time slots you want to deliver. So you can choose morning, which is 6 AM to 12 PM. You can choose afternoon, which is 12 PM to 6 PM. And then you can choose evening, which is 6 PM to 12 AM. So from there, pick which one you want, or you can pick all of them if you want. Then you'd have to heart one or two of them just to show them which time slot you would prefer. From there, you can click next. And you now have to enter in your vehicle information. So you want to choose the year first of all. So once you've put in your information, which includes the year, the make, the model, and the petrol type, it will tell you if it can be used for routes. So it says your vehicle is a mid-sized vehicle and can be used for standard routes. So we can confirm that this is the vehicle we plan to use, and then we can click submit. And from here we want to choose a region, so we can click on this, and then we can choose whatever area we would like. So I'm just going to choose this one and then click continue. From here, we'll have to show some of our identification, because in order to sign up for Amazon Flex, you need to be over 18, you must have a full UK driver's license, you must have a national insurance number, you must have vehicle insurance that covers your activities while delivering, and you must have a UK bank account and the legal right to work in the UK. So if you're happy you've got all of that, you can click continue, and you just want to read through this, and if you accept it, you can click accept and continue. Then you want to read through this, and from here we can consent or not consent to Amazon's use of your biometric data, and then you can click acknowledge and continue. And then from here we're just going to start filling out some of our information. So after this step, it is pretty straightforward, and it will involve you just filling out your personal details. So you have to put your name and your address in this section here, and after that you will have to actually start uploading some documents and your identification, such as your driver's license, your national insurance number, and they're going to use that information to make sure you are okay to be driving. And as long as you meet all the requirements, they will accept you into the Amazon Flex program, and from there you will have successfully applied to be an Amazon Flex driver. So that's how you can apply for Amazon Flex. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.